Now, Chris, he thought in his mind that he hit the jackpot, but no. He hit a miss because now everyone is for Tato, and he thought going to a podcast and speaking bad about Tato, everyone is going to be against Tato. Oh, Tato must fall, but no, everybody else is for Tato, to a point that when they do the event to launch their brand, he was then looking like ungathi ulahlekile ugayi, because ufika lapha safika abantu ama-security. Hey Tato, you know what, man, I know I made a mistake, man, so now very tired. I know I made a mistake, so I was saying, please, I need this, my family need this, I don't have bread, yeah. And then people are taking videos, so now it's going to contradict with the actual podcast that he did, with what actually happened. Because if somebody chased you away and then you're the one that is coming back to that person, begging and saying that your children need this, then we've got a problem. You are the one that must fall. Angit, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing House of Zwide. Sanbanan, Abshin, Melwen, Minjani. Ibukele Hingongwina. So Namutla Gan on Wahina House of Zwide, Hikumogorshla Tamsakangi Kashle, looking at the fact that Mampo and Onale Runa had a very constructive conversation. Imagine taking, not really take, did she take? No, she did not take. Imagine going to your husband's ex-girlfriend and get motivation, or go and spill out, like go and vomit to her, find she's your shoulder to cry on, and this person is your husband's ex-girlfriend. Life is okufundisa life mdakabawo. So now, but I'm just glad that Onale Runa is a very honest person that we could hardly find in the real world, that she gave a good constructive, a thing. I'm just, you need to go back to your husband's place, because after all, he is your husband. This is the time you show love. Uthi Onale Runa, if there was a time where you would show your husband that you love him, this is the time that you will show him you love him, when he has made some very wrong choices in his life. This is where your love thrives. And I thought she did not hear that, because she said he had a choice, and then Ona says yes, he had a choice, and this time he chose the wrong choice. And if anything, he could have chosen the right choice, but maybe hence he did what he did. But this is the time wherein you show the love. Atiana, the truth is, I still love him so much. I didn't picture myself being separated from him. Atige, that is enough to pack your bags and go back to your husband's place. And guess what? That's exactly what Mampo did. Oh, Onale Runa, you're such a star, man. I wish we've got people like you in the real world. Ne? I really wish so. Anyway, on the other hand, again, Umulife went and sweetened his way into Gogo's house again, and the lady was like, okay, fine, you can come through, let's seek a doctor and let's see what happens next. The tests were done, the results came back, and then besebashuti unesifo senqondo. Now it cannot be healed or cured. The only thing is that it's only going to get worse. Bese again, at least Molife was there to hold isandla sakalusi, I forgot her name, but I think ugogo naye izinto zakhe ngathi azilungi kahle, and Umlife is so invested in this, because he says for a very long time he felt like somebody's son, and he has never felt like this in a long time, until ugogo athi yena umkhumbuza umntanakhe. So that's why he is so attached to this. And I'm just hoping, but from the look of things, Umlife is doing this out of the goodness of the heart, and there isn't airing. Man, he's just doing this for the love of, and I actually appreciate this. Oh well, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload.